every journey of transformation begins with a shared vision. On May 3, 1988, the Southern Tagalog Agriculture, Aquatic, and Resources Research, Development, and Extension Consortium, or Staarrdec, was established to bring institutions together in advancing science, technology, and innovation for the region. For more than 3 decades, Staarrdec has served as a platform where expertise, resources, and partnerships converge to address priority concerns in the agriculture, aquatic, and natural resources or AANR sector. From its humble beginnings, Staarrdec has grown into a strong network of 25 member institutions or CMIs, composed of 11 state universities and colleges, 7 national line agencies, 5 regional line agencies, and 2 private higher education institutions, with Cavite State University as its host agency. The strength of Staarrdec lies not only in its members, but also in its strong governance structure. Through the visionary leadership of the Regional Research and Development Coordinating Council, or RRDCC, and the Executive Board, the Consortium provides strategic direction, strengthens collaboration, and ensures that every initiative contributes to the advancement of the sector. Beyond structures and institutions, Staarrdec is a story of people working together. It is a story of researchers, development workers, extensionists, and change makers creating solutions, institutions sharing knowledge, and communities embracing innovation. In 2024, we capture these moments as our tangluyan, the small wins that reflect the dedication, perseverance, and progress. As these achievements continue to unfold in 2025, these individual threads became connected, forming a stronger fabric of collaboration, shared purpose, and collective transformation. This is Habi ng Tangluyan, weaving small wins into collective impact. The Staarrdec Accomplishment Report for 2024 to 2025. Research creates greater impact when it responds to the needs of communities, industries, and the environment. Guided by the Staarrdec Research, Development, and Extension Agenda and Program, or SRDAP 2024 to 2030, the Consortium aligns strategic research initiatives toward addressing priority concerns in AANR. Serving as a roadmap for coordinated research and innovation, SRDAP guides programs and projects that generate knowledge, technologies, and solutions for food security, sustainability, climate resilience, enterprise development, and community well-being. One of Staarrdec's strategic initiatives is the Bean Program of Cavite State University, which complements coffee R&D efforts across the region. The program addresses key challenges in coffee production, quality improvement, pest management, and post-harvest processing. By bringing together researchers, farmers, and industry stakeholders, it strengthens knowledge sharing, supports local coffee enterprises, and contributes to a more competitive and sustainable coffee industry. Strategic R&D also extends beyond agriculture. The Silyang Pinoy, developed by the Forest Products Research and Development Institute, showcases how innovation can address educational and disaster resilience needs. Through engineered bamboo and locally available materials, it transforms school furniture into emergency-ready facilities, helping create safer and more adaptive learning spaces.
So we are very thankful for this project because it really benefited our learners, especially so that our school really lacks the facilities to provide a conducive learning environment to our school used by our learners in Consortium.
Addressing the country's dependence on imported salt, the salt business model for small island economy established a community-based salt enterprise in Patnanungan Island, Quezon. Led by the University of the Philippines Los Baños with CVSU SICAT and local partners, it strengthens local production, creates livelihoods, and demonstrates how collaborative research drives community resilience and sustainable development. From these strategic R&D initiatives, innovative technologies and knowledge products continue to emerge, creating solutions with potential for wider application and future research directions. BioCoat Z, developed by De La Salle University in Laguna, protects cacao crops from pests and heat stress through particle film technology and biological control agents, reducing chemical pesticide use and supporting sustainable production. The combined coconut dehusking and slicing machine of Romblon State University streamlines coconut processing by integrating two labor-intensive steps, reducing time and risk while improving value-added production. The Atlantis IoT-based AI aquaponics system of Batangas State University uses smart monitoring and automation to manage water quality, nutrients, and environmental conditions, enabling efficient and sustainable food production. Through these innovations, Staarrdec demonstrates how strategic research collaboration generates solutions that address regional challenges and transform innovation into sustainable development. Research becomes meaningful when knowledge moves beyond laboratories and creates solutions for communities. Through its R&D results utilization program, Staarrdec continues to bridge the gap between innovation and application, transforming research outputs into technologies, enterprises, and opportunities that create lasting impact. From 2024 to 2025, Staarrdec strengthened technology transfer initiatives by supporting the packaging, deployment, and adoption of research-based innovations across the region. Through various Picard modalities, researchers work closely with communities to ensure that technologies respond to the actual needs and create meaningful benefits. At CVSU, the VEGB STCBF project combines sustainable farming practices with stingless beekeeping to enhance food production and create additional livelihood opportunities for farmers. Beyond technology adoption, the project strengthened community participation with technology adopters extending support through a community pantry during challenging times. Another example of technology reaching communities is the SNS Plaza Ghost SICAT Phase 2 of the Bureau of Plant Industry in Los Baños. Through blended e-agritourism, the initiative promotes ecologically viable farming practices while creating interactive learning opportunities where stakeholders experience science-based innovations firsthand. Research utilization also contributes to environmental sustainability. Southern Luzon State University supported the production of quality planting materials of Makaasim and Batikuling, contributing to forest rehabilitation and biodiversity conservation. Through the S&T Action Frontline for Emergencies or SAFE of the Ecosystems Research and Development Bureau, a nature-based approach using Magwe as Greenbelt was introduced to help reduce forest fire risk in watershed areas. These initiatives demonstrate that technology transfer goes beyond adoption. It builds resilience and protects valuable natural resources. Further strengthening its commitment to extension, Staarrdec developed Bunga ng Husay at Yaman para sa Agri-Aqua at Kalikasan or Buhay AANR, a new extension banner program approved by the RRDCC, which will serve as a platform for future community-centered Agri-Aqua initiatives. Innovation creates greater value when technologies move toward markets and enterprises. Through the Regional Agri-Aqua Innovation System Enhancement or RACE program in Southern Tagalog, Staarrdec supported the transformation of research outputs into products, services, and business opportunities. The asthma low-cost smoking technology provided communities with affordable fish processing solutions, while special coffee blends created new market opportunities for local coffee producers by adding value to locally grown coffee. Through technology business incubation, innovators receive support in strengthening their products, improving market readiness, and building sustainable enterprises.
Through the incubation program, we adopted technologies on coffee production, processing, roasting, and blending. We Enjoy Coffee now offers a farm-to-cup coffee experience.
From Coffee Farm, we're now exploring our IP applications for our developed processes. The support we received helped us transform our ideas into a growing enterprise.
To ensure that innovations reach wider audiences, Staarrdec strengthened its technology promotion initiatives through platforms such as the Coffee Fiesta, Star Mart, Star Talk, the Southern Star, and participating in the Regional Science and Technology Week. Technologies were showcased, success stories were shared, and collaborations were strengthened among researchers, communities, industries, and the public. Students also became partners in science communication, bringing research closer to the youth through creative digital platforms. When research reaches people, innovation creates opportunities. Staarrdec continues to transform knowledge into action, building sustainable communities, strengthening enterprises, and creating lasting regional impact. Capability building and governance serve as a foundation for strengthening people, systems, and facilities across the consortium to ensure responsive and impactful RDE delivery in the region. Anchored on the SRDAP, capacity building interventions were designed based on the identified gaps from CMIs, ensuring that programs directly address operational, technical, and innovation needs. Key interventions included the seminars on financial management, RDE management, event management, and empowering extensionists, strengthening financial stewardship, coordination, and RDE implementation. Staarrdec strengthened research capability through proposal writing workshops, benchmarking activities at Kasetsart University, and the South Mentorship Series in partnership with the RACE program, enhancing competitiveness in research and innovation. The South Mentorship Series delivered specialized modules including Product Market Fit in Agri-Aqua Technologies, Regional IP Masterclass, Strategic Communication, and IP Expedite for IEC development and pitching. To further strengthen research productivity, Staarrdec endorsed 50 applications for publication incentive to Picard with 84% approved, generating approximately 3 million pesos in support. All these interventions resulted in improved proposal development, stronger research output generation, enhanced financial liquidation compliance, and more efficient RDE systems across CMIs.
Hi, my name is Angie Chui from De La Salle University Dasmariñas University Research Office and Strategic Communications Office. I attended the Events Management Essentials from Staarrdec a while back, and it has helped me upskill in terms of managing events for research, documentation, and also it also helped me with my work with strategic communications and institutional events.
Beyond human resource development, Staarrdec strengthened its physical and digital infrastructure through targeted facilities improvement and upgrading to support research, innovation, and extension activities. From 2024 to 2025, total RDE investments reached 83.88 million pesos sourced from various funding agencies, This investment supported ICT expansion, RDE facility development and upgrading, and the acquisition of advanced research equipment, strengthening the overall RDE capacity of CMIs. These investments improved research productivity, strengthened digital transformation, enhanced collaboration, expanded technology validation, and improved extension service delivery to stakeholders. In the last 2 years, Staarrdec and the CMIs received national recognition including Ugnay Award Finalist Distinction, NSARD Awards, Platinum IP recognitions, startup competition wins, and multiple research and innovation accolades. These achievements were made possible through Staarrdec's continuous capacity building, mentoring, research coordination and support, and innovation facilitation across member institutions. Governance was strengthened through regular RRDCC, executive board, clusters and secretariat meetings, ensuring strategic alignment, coordinated implementation, and responsive decision-making across the consortium.
As chairperson of the Staarrdec RRDCC, I have witnessed how our governance system has strengthened coordination among member institutions. Through regular meetings, strategic planning, and collective decision-making, Staarrdec has become more responsive and aligned in advancing RDE priorities in the region. Our consortium is now working as one direction, one agenda, and one impact for Southern Tagalog.
Key governance outputs included the approval of the SRD and new initiatives such as Kinang Awards, Spark Series, Buhay AANR Extension Program, TechNose, Star Mart, AANR Quiz Showdown, and Ideation Hackathon. These governance mechanisms strengthened coordination among CMIs, improved program alignment, and enhanced the overall responsiveness and strategic direction of the consortium. Through capability building, HRD support, facilities upgrading, and strong governance, Staarrdec continues to empower institutions, strengthen systems, and advance innovation for sustainable development in Southern Tagalog. But strengthening institutions is only part of the story. For innovation to create lasting change, scientific knowledge must also influence the policies and decisions that shape the future of communities, industries, and the environment. This is where Staarrdec's policy analysis and advocacy efforts come in, transforming research findings into evidence that informs action, strengthens governance, and supports sustainable development in the AANR sector. During the period, Staarrdec and its member institutions generated policy-relevant research that addressed critical challenges in environmental sustainability, natural resource governance, and industry development. ERDB's research on science-based mangrove restoration contributed to stronger coastal protection and climate resilience. UPLB's study on devolved forest management generated evidence to improve local forest governance, while policy research of Bat State U on bioethanol transport helped address gaps in safety standards and regulatory compliance for a growing biofuel industry. The knowledge generated from these initiatives helped shape broader policy directions and development priorities for the region. Recognizing the need for a unified roadmap for science, technology, and innovation, Staarrdec led the formulation and approval of the SRD 2024 to 2030. Developed through extensive stakeholder consultations, the agenda now guides regional investments and priorities in research, development, and extension. Beyond regional planning, Staarrdec also contributed to national policy reforms that support a more enabling environment for research and innovation. Through the consortium's leadership, Member institutions united in advocating revisions to procurement policies that had long constrained research implementation, technology acquisition, and innovation delivery.
As a first consortium that we approach, we thought of having a document, a manifesto of support that we can attach to the policy papers. During the consortium meeting, member institutions united in signing this declaration of support, calling for revisions in the procurement law, highlighting the urgent need to remove bureaucratic barriers.
This collective advocacy contributed to the momentum that led to the enactment of Republic Act 12009, helping create a more responsive procurement environment for science, technology, and innovation in the Philippines.
But Staarrdec's policy impact did not stop at advocacy. One of its most transformative achievements was the institutionalization of the RACE program in Southern Tagalog. More than sustaining a successful initiative, the institutionalization of RACE established a permanent regional innovation ecosystem that supports technology commercialization, startup development, and stronger collaboration among government, industry, and academia. Complementing this milestone was the establishment of the RACE Advisory Council, bringing together key government agencies, industry partners, local government units, and innovation stakeholders to provide strategic direction for regional initiatives.
From generating evidence through policy research to shaping regional agendas, advancing national reforms, and institutionalizing innovation systems, Staarrdec continues to translate scientific knowledge into tangible results that benefit society and strengthen development outcomes. Through policy research, strategic advocacy, and institutional innovation, the consortium strengthens governance, advances science and technology, and creates lasting opportunities for the people and communities of Southern Tagalog.
Guided by the SRDF, Staarrdec aligned member institutions with regional and national priorities. Through planning, reviews, and proposal development activities, the consortium strengthened coordination and ensured responsive RTE initiatives. These efforts resulted in 97 package proposals for funding support, while promoting collaboration, resource optimization, and a shared direction toward regional development.
To ensure meaningful results, Staarrdec implemented a comprehensive MLA system through agency in-house reviews, desk monitoring, and field validation. These mechanisms tracked progress, improved project management, and strengthened accountability. Each year, in-house reviews evaluated an average of 700 projects involving more than 1,500 researchers, students, and other stakeholders. Beyond evaluation, these activities fostered learning, mentoring, and continuous improvement, contributing to stronger outputs and improved liquidation compliance from 76 to 90%. A defining strength of Staarrdec is its culture of collaboration. Through resource sharing, CMIs access expertise, facilities, equipment, and learning opportunities beyond their individual capacities. Over 2 years, these partnerships generated more than 8 million pesos worth of shared resources, while the consortium mobilized over 156 million pesos from external funding agencies. This investment supported RDE projects, capability building, innovation activities, and facility improvements, strengthening capacities and accelerating innovation. Staarrdec further expanded opportunities for innovation and collaboration through strategic partnerships and knowledge-sharing platforms. New international linkages with Kasetsart University, and Saigon Business School, along with partnerships with organizations such as PSBA, PAEPI, and IPOFIL, created avenues for collaboration, technology exchange, and stakeholder engagement. Through flagship initiatives such as Regional Race and Innovation Week, Student Congress, Race Summit, Staarrdec, the ICCAT, and the AANR Quiz Showdown, the consortium brought together researchers, extension workers, policymakers, industry partners, communities, and students. This platform strengthened collaboration while empowering students as active contributors to research and innovation. Supporting all these efforts is a robust system of information management through databases and information systems for planning, monitoring, financial tracking, reporting, and communication. Staarrdec strengthened coordination among member institutions and improved operational efficiency. These systems provide timely information for decision-making, support accountability, and enhance the visibility of consortium initiatives, transforming data into actionable knowledge for better governance and policy development. More than a management function, R&D coordination is the force that transforms ideas into action, partnerships into opportunities, and individual achievements into regional progress. Through strategic planning, effective monitoring, resource mobilization, partnership development, knowledge sharing platforms, student engagement, and information management, Staarrdec enabled the accomplishments achieved under strategic R&D activities, R&D results utilization, capability building and governance, and policy analysis and advocacy. But perhaps Staarrdec's greatest accomplishment is not any single project, partnership, or resource generated. It is the ability to bring institutions together around a shared vision and transform collective expertise into meaningful and lasting benefits for Southern Tagalog. From the beginning, Staarrdec's journey has been a story of habi ng tangluyan, weaving small wins into collective impact. Every training conducted, every innovation developed, every partnership strengthened, and every achievement gained represents a thread contributing to a stronger regional RDE fabric. Staarrdec is deserving of the Ugnay Award because it has transformed individual institutional strengths into collective regional action. Through collaboration, the consortium has built an ecosystem where knowledge, resources, and expertise converge to create greater impact for the AANR sector. Through strategic research, development, extension, and innovation initiatives, Staarrdec continues to generate science-based solutions, strengthen institutional capacities, and support communities and industries toward a more productive, resilient, and sustainable AANR sector. As the consortium moves forward, it remains committed to expanding this network of collaboration, empowering institutions, nurturing innovators, and translating research into technologies and solutions that create lasting benefits for the region. Because when individual contributions are woven together, they become a stronger force for transformation. This is the continuing story of Staarrdec, connecting institutions, empowering communities, and advancing Southern Tagalog's AANR sector through collective impact.
Staarrdec, agapay natin sa pag-unlad, hindi para sa lahat. Yaman ng Agri-Aqua, tara na't pagyamanin pa. Tayo na't ibigkis ating mga kamay, sama-sama sa paglalakbay. Gamitin ang teknolohiya, tara na't magkaisa. Staarrdec, isaga natin sa pag-unlad, pangarap para sa lahat. buhay ay ating ikaway-kaway at sumigaw ng sabay-sabay. Tayo na't ibigkis ating mga kamay, sama-sama sa paglalakbay. Yaman ng Agri-Aqua, tara na't pagyamanin pa. Halina't itaguyod yamang agrikultura, aking yaman ng tubig lubhang mahalaga. Ating ekonomiya lalo pang sisigla, sa research innovation halina't sama na.